Hello viewers, today I want to show you how to replace boot trunk light in Hyundai Tucson. Let's go. Only what you need the flat screwdriver, and like you saw on the video, you need to press the lock which is at the top of the light, and then press the socket and remove from the light. Like you see, the plug got the small lock here, which you need to press if you want to remove the plug. Then you need to press the lock which is on one side of the lamp and removing the cover. Now we have access to the bulb. I will use the flat screwdriver again on this video tutorial to removing the bulb. Bulb is a T10 Festoon 31mm size. So I replace the bulb, just put it back into the right place, bottom first, and then push the top until you hear click. How to open the tailgate when it won't open from the outside. Hi guys, today I want to show you how to open the tailgate on the Hyundai Tucson when it won't open from the outside. In this situation, the good news is you don't need any tools at all. Okay, let's do it. First you need to open the rear door and fold down the rear seats. Then you need to crawl inside to the bottom of the tailgate. There you will see a small cover that you need to remove. You can use your finger or thumb to simply press down. After you remove the cover, you will see the internal lock mechanism with a white lever. You need to push the lever from the left to the right side to unlock the tailgate. Hi guys, today I want to show you how to replace a reverse light bulb on Hyundai Tucson. I ordered from Amazon two super bright LED lamps type W16W. Let's do it. This is a reversing light. Access to remove light bulb is on other sides of the tailgate. This is a cover which I must remove. For this I need a flat screwdriver. Simply put into the visible hole and pull. Now I see a bulb socket. This is the one which I need to take out. It's a bit tricky because it's very little room to operate with fingers. Hold with two fingers and turn counterclockwise. To remove bulb, we need pull bulb from socket. This is how look a W16W standard light bulb. This is my new LED bulb, which I will install. Simple, just put and push into the socket. Now it's time to make sure everything is okay. So I turn ignition on, and I'm glad The new LED give me very white bright light. Remember, turn off ignition before you put light into the socket. Put LED light with socket to the right place and then turn socket clockwise. You should hear a click. Now it's time for cover. Now I can compare old bulb with super bright LED. On the left side is a standard bulb, on the right is a LED. Standard and super bright LED. Hi guys, today I want to show you how to replace tailgate struts. It's a very simple process and you can do it by yourself without anyone's help, except for someone who will hold the tailgate up for you. This is the strut that I will be replacing. You only need simple tools, a small flathead screwdriver and the right size spanner. If there isn't enough room to operate with a spanner, a socket spanner is a good choice. And of course, you will need two new tailgate struts. Let's get started. This is the strut that I will be replacing. Before you start, unscrew the old strut. Make sure you have the right size new struts. First you need to unclip the clip on the tailgate, then on the bottom on the cart body side, and then unscrew the two bolt screws. In my car, there isn't enough room for a spanner, so I need to use a socket spanner. But first, you need to unclip the clip on the tailgate. To remove a clip from the strut, use a small flathead screwdriver. First on the top, tailgate side, and then at the bottom. Unscrew two bolt screws. And then remove holder. Repeat the process on the other side of the tailgate. Usually, this place is very dirty, so it's a good idea to clean it before you install the new strut holders. Top of the struts, simply push until it clicks. In this video I won't show you how to remove oil from your engine using the small 12 volts oil pump. Black clip is from neutral and the red one is for positive for the car battery. Pump is quite small, it's only 60 watts, but it's good enough for this job. Let's do it. Don't forget about the salt canister. Remove your dipstick from the engine. Put thinner pipe from pump down to the dipstick hole. If you want to order the oil pump, a link is in description. The thicker pipe put inside the bottle canister, etc. Whatever you have for old engine oil. Important, don't forget to open top of the engine. Now it's time to connect the 12 volt black way and then connect a red clip to a positive. Switch on the oil pump and you will see oil which coming through the pipe from your engine straight to your tank, canister, bucket, whatever you have. You need to be patient, pump is not very fast, the process takes about 20 minutes, but doing great job. The pump doing the great job. When your engine is dry, now you can safely remove the oil filter and replace for the new one. Don't forget about the gasket.
Just grab your tools, turn up the light with